Have you experienced a power outage? Many of us have, but understanding what caused the lights to go out can be difficult. Without accurate information on damage, outages can take much longer to resolve. Utility crews and trucks can go to the wrong location or arrive without the right materials. Introducing First Responder. First Responder is an easy-to-use mobile app brought to you by Liberty Utilities and iRestore. First responders, fire, and police use it to help the utility quickly pinpoint damage, prioritize response, and perform repairs. Here's how. First, a fireman touches the smartphone app to report damage to the utility. Second, a utility dispatcher instantly gets eyes on the scene. And third, the utility sends the right truck and crew to the GPS location. First Responder saves the utility time and money, improves customer satisfaction, and enables community engagement. Get the app. Search for iRestore First Responder.